The Bronco Pro has been running for 9 hours. Check that thing out. We got a brisket in there, running with char logs. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Now this brisket was 21.1 pounds before the trim. It was also 21 inches long. I think it's time to drop this in the foil boat. But just wanted to check where we were. After 9 hours, that's where we at. So this thing still got a lot to go. Now it's a good thing I'm rocking with the char logs, because last time I ran the char logs in the Bronco, I got 36 hours. So if this 20-pound brisket takes 20 hours, we're gonna be good. Let's just take a minute to admire this bark. This brisket's not even done yet.